Yeah, good evening, Bob. And the answer to that question is there's very, very little people that are actually experiencing side effects. How small is that percentage? We'll answer that in just a moment. But for places like the Legacy Center here in Farmington, where they have a drive-up vaccination center, they're ready for anyone that could possibly develop complications because of the vaccine.
Obviously, by the numbers, for the most part, great success.
It's not 0%, but it's not a very common event.
The COVID-19 vaccine has been administered in large quantities for about 2 months now, and through that, worry has spread over rare reactions.
You know, there's been a lot of press about the worry about getting an allergic reaction to this vaccine.
This is Dr. RAFAEL FIRSZT, an allergist at Tanner Clinic. He says while it's very uncommon, any vaccine may cause some reaction.
This vaccine doesn't appear to be causing allergic reaction at a higher rate than other vaccines.
And if someone does have an allergic reaction to the COVID-19 vaccine,
The majority of the reactions occur within 30 minutes.
But for those that are more prone to allergies,
I would recommend that they hang around in the observation room for 30 minutes instead of possibly 15 minutes.
So I get a 30-minute wait.
And that's exactly what Tammy Bird did.
2 different drugs that I'd taken in the past, I've had a couple of anaphylactic reactions.
She's a nurse practitioner who just got her second dose at the drive-through vaccination center in Farmington. After getting vaccinated, cars pull outside and wait.
So that Farmington's on standby. They tell you when you pull out if you have any reaction, any symptoms or anything. Stay in your vehicle, honk your horn, the ambulance comes right to you.
We've been placing crews there to monitor the parking lot.
Chief Smith in Farmington is the one in charge of those paramedics. As for what they've seen so far,
We figure between 1,800 and 1,900 people are getting vaccinated, and we are attending to possibly a dozen folks that either have questions or experiencing some sort of a mild reaction.
and for them, the number that has actually had a severe allergic reaction,
We've only had 2 patients that needed or required transport to the hospital.
so with the very small risk,
Around a 0.001% chance.
for people like Tammy Bird, this vaccine means peace of mind.
I feel like I can go into my clinic now and see my patients and have a little more better protection.
And it also looks like Utah's numbers are lining up with the national numbers that are coming out of the vaccine from the CDC. Bob, Kelly?